Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay. In this session, we are going to uh, show you how to do the enhancement. You have the code, you have different procedures. So, in order to do an enhancement, you must be able to identify where the enhancement is required. Just for example, in our current series of the videos in which we are focusing on the hyperlinks. So this is part three of the our series in which the hyperlinking will be performed. It is performed. All we need to do is only do enhancement of the formula. The formula which we established was a very lengthy one, and the objective was to show you the and to give you a revision of index match and text and different functions like Vlookup and and other VBA related code, right? But now this is the position that let us write the formula uh, which is which the program is writing here and then removing it. So in order to make the enhancement in the formula, we want to put a breakpoint so that as soon as it puts the formula, then we make the enhancement. And when the formula is up to our satisfaction, then we will uh, mm, update our code. Okay. So first of all, we have to see that where do we want the enhancement. Of course, it is in this tab, create. So we have the tab. This is a toolbar. Yeah, in the toolbar we have the name my toolbar. Yes, and we want to go to index sheet, set hyperlinks to videos, right? So how to go to that code? You will press Alt F11, then you will look for the modules, and you remember you you can put anywhere. It can take to you directly to module 14. Okay, for example, you are in module 1, and you can search hyperlinking. For example, hyperlink, right? So let's search the entire module, find next, and it has taken you to the module 14, right? And this is that create my toolbar. So you have instantly reached to the point where you want to make the adjustment. So you don't need to make any adjustment in here. You need to pick this code. Yeah. This is the name of the procedure which is here. Hmm. We normally use it here. Or if you are unable to find, just put a cursor here and press Control F. It is going to pick it, what to find, and find next, and you will reach to the right procedure. Okay. In this procedure, we got to put the breakpoint. Yeah, put the breakpoint here and put the breakpoint so that we see the what enhancements are required. The formula is very lengthy, although it is deleted later on and it is serving the purpose, but still uh, we can shorten the formula. All we need to do is pick the hyperlink from the other sheet, and that will come quickly instead of making it long, right? So we have put the breakpoint and we close it and we click here. Hmm. So this is the point in which the formula has brought back to the sheet, and you are ready to, to make the adjustment in this formula. So this is how you reach to the point where you want the adjustment in the formula, right? Actually, the simplest formula is that you you keep this thing. Yeah, if this is equal to this, then you remove all this. I'm going to show you a different formula to bring the hyperlink that is less complicated. It is simplified, right? So this is, for example, the position in which we want some to add the formula. So adjust the formula, right? So this is the closure of this, and this is closure of this. That's it. Two brackets are opening, two are closing, and that's all. Okay. So now let's let's see it is working. Yes, it works. Now, so if the A3 is a space, then it will be space. Otherwise, this is the position. We just want to look up, mm, to text look up, right? So the text is, we can take it from here. mm, The text of the, instead of A4, remember, A4 will be A3 because we are on A3. Okay. All the formula, we bring this here. Yeah, control way. So we immediately change 4 to 3 because we are on row number 3. Okay, so this is the date which we want to be looked up. Okay, where do we want to look up? So let's start the formula. We look up. You can use index match as well. Okay, look up all this, right? And where you want this to be looked up. You want to look up and go to the sheet and tell it from here. Yeah, from here until here, ninth column, right? Okay, so press comma 9, comma false or 0, right? Okay, so that's it, and then we press enter. So it is we have to bring the we have to close the bracket also properly. Yeah, you have yeah, we look up this comma this, look up where, and here, and line column and false. So this is the closure of the VLOOKUP, right? And the closure of the if as well. So we will put a bracket closing here so that the if is closed, right? The if is closed, and then the if error is also closed, right? So this is the beauty of the Excel, that it guides you that which bracket is starting and closing where. When you click one bracket close, you see the isaiahs are there, right? And this is the coupling of this bracket, and this is the coupling of this bracket, right? Okay. So this way, it will become easy for you, right? So this is now very short formula. You're not putting a load over the PC, your PC, your processor, unnecessary or something. So this is how you do it. Now, the next job is update this formula into the code. See, you see, I, you see, I'm copying from inside here, inside the formula bar, and control C. Now I have taken the copy into it. I'm getting back to here, and I am putting this uh, copy inside or I'm just doing away with this and starting typing comma start inverted comma start quotes and quotes are closed here. Now, one thing is left is that whenever you use this, then any quote will be double inside the formula. So you can, yeah, when there are two quotes, you will make it four. When there is one quote, you will make it two. You will make it two. One quote will be make two, yeah, double. Okay. And what is about this? These are the two quotes. Two quotes will be four quotes. This is again two quotes, four quotes. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, four quotes. Okay, that's it. So you have made this. Now you want to rerun this so that it is implemented and later on it is deleted uh, the formula whatever is written in the end it is deleted. Let me put a breakpoint in here now. So yeah, there is a problem here that it is saying something. Okay, yeah, because of this. Okay, because of this, we have to see the formula. There has to be some problem. I check it out and let you know. Yes, I found the error. The problem is that you are in row number 23, for example, you find out that, and it is 24. So this is the error we committed while pasting the formula and the here, because this is 2, this is 2 and you are writing 3. That's wrong. Okay, so what we do, we make it 2. Instead of 3, we make it 2. Okay, when you are writing from 2, okay. So we go back to the code and we adjust the formula in here. Yeah, this is the thing. When you are selecting here is 2, then you have to make this 3 to 2 as well. Otherwise, will be giving you the error. So this was the adjustment. This is the beauty of the debugging, and it allows you uh, to figure out what is happening and how you are going to do it. Okay, so let's stop it and run it again. Like that. Now let's run this again. So it is now it has done its job, and I have breakpointed here because it is on the last one, and now it is going to remove all it has written in the D because the hyperlinks have already been set up. Okay, so let's click it. I have removed the breakpoint and run it. That's it. The job is well done. Okay, so you can see now there is no formula left, and this is an economical way of using the lengthy formula is that make it as a part of your VBA code so that when the formula are no longer required, so they are removed from the sheet, and that will economize your file size. Okay, so all you need to do is just a click of the button, and then you will see that all the hyperlinks are created. Okay, Okay, thank you very much.